Hey, squirrel. You eating my fresh guava, man. Get out there. Before I cooking you, man. What are you doing? Look at me, huh? Get out. Oh, no. Go all the way to the top, man. We just have a baby guava fruit, and this squirrel from our neighbor at the back climb all the way to the top. Oh, he's bad boy. Look at that. He's a bad boy. I'm going to shake him off. Let me see. Shh, shh. Get out my tree. Get out my tree. Get out my tree. Get out my tree. Get out. Get out. Huh? Shh. You get out, boy. You get out. Shh. Shake them out. Scary. Go, 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 go. Jump to the back. Okay. Oh, gone. He gone to the back, to the post here. Jump to the back. Man, they're hungry. They come and eat this baby guava fruit. We just have. We have the baby on the top, the small guava fruit right here. See, and you come and eat. No wonder we don't have guava every year, because this crazy squirrel come. We have trees in the back. Our neighbor have big trees, and there are like 4 or 5 of them. Sometimes they're running around, mating, run around on our roof. And our tree, you can hear like people running on the roof because they're big squirrel. Man, this is in your third world country. Hmong people will shoot you up and roast it. You here, man, only in America. We don't eat you, man. Oh, this tree, we have a lot of baby fruit this year. And this one, I don't see any flower yet because we just cut. Oh, there's some flower. This is big one. This is the white kind. And this one is the yellow kind. And inside is pink. Whew, what exciting. I'm going to chase this stinky squirrel.